I'm Dr. Mitra, mother and wellness advocate. Small, sustainable changes add up over time. And when these principles are followed together, they can create a powerful ripple effect on your health. The power of sleep and circadian rhythms. Your body's sleep and wake cycle, is known as your circadian rhythm, is a built-in feedback system that reflects your overall health. A consistent sleep routine is essential for restoring emotional balance, supporting brain function, and strengthening your immunity. If we don't get enough sleep, even for just one night, research shows you're setting yourself up for emotional breakdowns, poor decision-making, and poor immunity for the next day. Prioritize sleep and give your body the mental, physical, and emotional recovery it needs.